Hi, I'm Patricia Samaniego. I'm a fashion designer and you can find me at patriciasamaniego.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a flapper headpiece. For this project, the materials you'll need is our glue gun, felt, some beads as an option, a brooch or something decorative that you want on your headband, some feathers, ribbon, or some trim that has a little bit of sparkle for a flapper effect, and scissors. So the first step you want to do is take your ribbon, and you want to position your ribbon on your head where you want your brooch to be. So if I have the ribbon here, this is kind of like where I want my feathers and my brooch to be. So what I do is I put a little pin here, and that is going to be my starting point where my decorations are going to be. So I take my feathers and a little piece of felt cut to the width of the ribbon so that you don't see it because it's going to go on the inside. Take your glue gun, you put some glue on your feathers, and then you take your piece of felt and you put that right over it. And that's going to go on the inside of your ribbon, just like that. And then you want to put your brooch or whatever decorative item you have for your headband. You slide that through, just like that. And you basically have an instant headpiece. And it's an option if you wanted to have the beads. I'm Patricia Samaniego, and that's how you make a flapper headpiece.